Bus Rapid Transportation, or BRT, has the potential to transform Indianapolis neighborhoods into vibrant community spaces where people can live, work, shop, and move from place to place in many ways. The City of Indianapolis, with support from IndyGo and the Indianapolis Metropolitan Planning Organization, have updated their development regulations to enable and encourage transit-oriented development near BRT lines. These updates support compact development and provide greater flexibility in sidewalk and street design. This new flexibility avoids a cookie-cutter approach and provides developers and street designers with the tools they need to create designs that respond to the unique land use context and desired development patterns of each neighborhood and street. Let's take a look at 4 zones located between the building face and the roadway. They create a kit of parts that can be put together in different ways. The frontage zone is located between the property line and the pedestrian space of the sidewalk. The width of this zone may vary from 2 to 15 feet. The frontage zone might contain awnings or other architectural features, retail displays, signs, landscaping, or outdoor seating. In a central business district like this one, this zone will typically be wider than in a walkable neighborhood. The pedestrian zone may vary from 6 to 15 feet and should allow pedestrians to walk side by side and comfortably pass each other. This zone should accommodate expected pedestrian volumes, including those using mobility assistance devices, pushing strollers, or pulling carts. The amenity zone provides a buffer between people walking and activity in the street. Its width varies from 6 to 10 feet. The amenity zone might contain lighting, trees, bike parking, benches, signs, and other items that are important to keep out of the pedestrian zone. Finally, the curb zone creates a transition between the pedestrian and vehicular domains. The width of this space varies from 2 to 11 feet. Curbside uses include transit stops, bike facilities, parking, loading, and drainage. Uses may vary throughout the day and week. It's important for streets that connect to the BRT lines to also support TOD. The Indianapolis Sidewalk Zone Implementation Guide provides performance criteria to help designers determine the necessary widths for each zone. There's no set formula, but there are certain minimums to make sure there's space to include essential elements that support transit-oriented development. Often, the right-of-way might be constrained, making it hard to provide the minimum widths preferred for each zone, like on this example of a walkable neighborhood street. Look for opportunities to narrow or remove motor vehicle lanes to maximize space between the curb and the building face for people. On this street, reconfiguring space allows for an amenity zone and buffer from traffic, a wider pedestrian zone for people to walk side by side and pass each other, benches, and bike parking. These elements add value to the street and support the nearby TOD and BRT.